Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now. Make sure the tablet is charged above 50% or keep it plugged in. This prevents interruptions that can brick the device. Back up your photos, contacts, and any files to a cloud account or a PC so you can restore them later. Once done, unlock the tablet, open Settings, and navigate to System. Knowing the Lenovo model and Android version helps because menu names sometimes differ by build and carrier. From System, select Reset Options and then erase all data, sometimes labeled Factory Data Reset. This is the core action that wipes user data. You will be asked to confirm your PIN or password. Enter it to prove ownership. Read the data loss prompt. It explains accounts and apps will be removed. When you choose Erase Everything, the tablet will reboot and begin the reset sequence. This may take several minutes. If the settings method fails, power the tablet off and boot into recovery by holding Power Plus volume up until the logo appears. This gives you direct access to wipe data options. In recovery, navigate to Wipe Data/Factory Reset, confirm, then select Reboot System Now when complete. If you encounter a reset loop or the device won't boot, try reflashing the stock firmware with Lenovo's recovery tool or contact a service center. Make sure to mention model and error behavior so they can help faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.